Hey guys, it's Harmony and I'm here to do the unboxing video that I promised in the other video. As you can see, my birthday present to myself this year is the 2021 MacBook Pro 16 inches. I got the base model, but who cares? I'm just so excited. I upgraded from a MacBook Pro 13 inches 2017 model, and that model, it has butterfly keyboards, which is abysmal, and the battery is no good. Basically, if you're not charging it, it's dead. It's that bad. So that's how I got to a point where I said, you know what, I need I don't just want. It's not a matter of desire. I actually need to get a new one, and this time I'm going for the bigger one. So as you can see, it's just so beautiful to look at, and once you open it, of course it starts up on its own, but once you take off that piece of paper, you just see how beautiful the monitor is. The color is very nice. I'm looking at my screen right now, and my 23 inches Dell monitor is right next to it. Guess what? I'm not gonna say it, but I have a winner, in my opinion. So I've had this computer for a day already, and I just finished editing a video. So that video is in 4K, and I added quite some filters and effects, subtitles, you name it. I add quite a few things to it, so it ended up to be 2.5, a little bit over 2.5 gigabytes, and in 4K. And I did not keep exact count, but exporting was surprisingly quick. It's just so fast, and the machine itself did not heat up at all. Well, if you go back to my old MacBook Pro 13 inches, even if I was having like 2 extra Chrome windows running, the fan turns on like crazy. I was like, wow, what are you doing? I'm not torturing you. But this one, it's just this big guy sitting quietly over there, looking like it can handle just anything. So I'm very much in love with this laptop. And the setup was very easy. I just plugged my 2 machines together and opened up Migration Assistant, and in 40 minutes or so, I have a lot of files, so don't judge it. Don't judge my machines. I have a lot of files, but it only took 30 to 45 minutes to transfer everything. And voila, my new baby. It's so beautiful, seriously. I'm gonna name it Dexter.